Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we are obviously doing a Halloween tutorial. I am doing a diamond girl inspired look, something very glam, actually extremely simple and very affordable. As you can see, I have this awesome metallic silver hair. Today we are going to be dyeing a wig using Got To Be metallic hair color. This video is sponsored by Got To Be. I'm obsessed with this color. I'm going to show you guys how you can get this look. This hair color is extremely affordable and it is available at Target, so it makes it super easy to get your hands on. They have some beautiful metallic shades and I'm excited to do this look with you guys, so let's go ahead and get started. Here we have our Got To Be Metallics hair color. This is in the shade Metallic Silver. It is freaking awesome, you guys. This is a permanent hair color, so you're gonna want to use this on natural hair. I didn't want to dye my own hair in this video, so I decided to grab a natural wig. You want to make sure you use 100% authentic human hair for this hair color, or else it will not adhere properly. So if you're not going to use it on your own hair, you want to be sure to use a 100% human hair wig. Now this color is the best used on blonde hair. You can see they give you kind of an example of what it'll look like depending on the type of blonde that you have. This is what comes in the Got To Be set. So you have the cream color. This is the actual like pigment. Then we have the actual developer. This is what you mix with the cream color. It also comes with an after color treatment, which is super awesome. It's basically like a really nice hair mask. It makes the hair super soft. And of course they do come with gloves so you can protect your hands from the color. And of course the instructions. They're very, very simple, easy to use, but definitely look through those before using any type of hair color. All right, so the very first step, we're going to take our developing lotion. We are going to unscrew the top of the bottle and we're going to squeeze in our cream color. The cream color lid will have a little like pointy end. You're going to want to stick that on there to break the seal to the cream color. And then you just go ahead and you squeeze that cream color into the developer. It is super easy, just a little two-step process and you get the coolest metallic color. I'm so excited for you guys to see this whole video like in process. Once it's all loaded up, you just want to go ahead and shake your bottle. Make sure to mix your color really, really well. And then of course we're going to throw on our gloves so we can protect our hands and our nails. Next, we're going to take the wig. So I really recommend you guys start at the root and at the hairline. And of course, if you're doing this on your own hair, I recommend that as well. You want to make sure you start with the areas that are going to be seen the most. You don't want to miss a little section and then have that bare while the rest of your hair is a cool metallic color. So just make sure you pay attention to where you're placing the color. Make sure to really move your hair around and get it in there good. Especially if your hair is more thick and more dense, you really want to be sure to work it around and really massage it in. Now you guys are going to notice this color works extremely fast. Literally as I'm applying the color, it's already changing to this beautiful silver color. This wig was a really unfortunate shade of yellowy blonde, so the Got To Be metallic color made it look so good. I was so impressed with this color, you guys. Oh my gosh. I actually really want to try their other colors next. So as you can see, I am just massaging it, working it through the hair. When it's on your own head, if you're using your own natural hair, it's not quite as difficult. You can kind of navigate a little better. I do want to let you guys know if you have longer hair or more thick hair, you might need an extra box. I did actually use 3 because this is a really long and thick wig. They're super affordable, and like I said, you can actually pick them up at Target, so it's super easy to get a hold of. Once you have fully covered everything with the hair color, you want to leave it in for 30 minutes. It's super fast acting, you guys. You do not need to give it a lot of time. It penetrates the hair very quickly. So just 30 minutes is perfect for you guys to get an even amount of color everywhere. Once the 30 minutes were up, I just gave the wig a little wash. I blew it out so it would be nice and straight. And this is the final result. Oh my gosh, you guys. I cannot believe this color. I was so nervous on how this would turn out. I just couldn't imagine that I could actually get metallic hair color. And it really does work. I love that it's permanent. And the shine that this hair color gave the wig is amazing. This was not a super expensive wig, so if anything, I was really worried on how the wig would do with the hair color, but it is beautiful. It's such a beautiful icy silver. And the shine, I just cannot get over. I think it looks so cool, especially for our diamond girl look. I mean, diamonds are a girl's best friend. Hello. Now, of course, we need to finish the look with the makeup. So for the eyes, I wanted to do a pretty standard smoky eye so far. I mean, as far as shadow goes. So I'm starting with a warm brown. I'm just doing a nice deep smoky crease using brown tones. I was gonna do a lot of silver and gray matte shadow for the crease, and then I thought it's just too much. I wanted to break it up with some color. I love my warm brown smoky eyes, so that's what I did. I started with a nice medium tone throughout the crease, followed by a deeper espresso, and I'm just building up, you know, my go-to smoky eye. Nothing crazy here. You don't need anything fancy. But then to kind of glamorize it a bit and really give us that diamond look, I took a silver liquid eyeshadow that just had a lot of glitter in it, and I patted that all over the lid to really give us that diamond effect. Next, of course, you guys know I am just nothing without my bronzer, so I just took a little bronzer. This face makeup so far is actually pretty normal glam. We're going to really glow it up a bit though. I took a lot of highlighter, way more highlighter than I would use on a daily basis because I really wanted that all over glow, and I just packed that highlighter on everywhere, just everywhere, all over the face, and I actually really loved how it looked. I actually might do this more in like real life, not just for Halloween looks. I added a little more highlighter to the inner corners of my eye as well as the brow bone to get that all over glow. I went back and forth on what to do about blush. I was thinking no blush, and then I was like, who am I without blush? I need a little pink. So I just used a really pretty baby pink all over the cheek to give us a nice flush of color. For the under eyes, I went in with a silver metallic eyeliner just to kind of go with the whole look. And I did apply a generous amount. I applied that on the waterline and pretty far underneath my lower lash line. Then I took a little bit more of that liquid silver eyeshadow, and I actually dragged that out on my lower lash line just for the added glam. Then real quick, of course, we just need to throw on a little mascara. We are going to be adding false lashes, so you don't have to go super crazy with the amount of mascara that you use. So I just did a few natural coats of black mascara, followed by a black liquid liner. This is optional. The reason why I do this when I use false lashes is because I use a black lash glue, and sometimes I can get a little messy with the black lash glue. So I like to just lay down a nice black base for the lashes to go onto, so the glue just kind of melts right into it. And I do like a more defined line on the eyes. So after that, I went ahead and I popped on the most dramatic pair of lashes I could find in my lash drawer because, hi, we're a diamond, we're drama, we're beautiful. This is where the fun part kicks in, you guys. So for that extra added diamond effect, I did grab some crystals from just, you know, any craft store. And I actually glued these on with lash glue. I wanted to do it completely around that silver liquid eyeshadow to really define that line and just, you know, glam it up. How many times can I say it? These little gems are so affordable. All you need is lash glue. I'm telling you, if you want a super affordable, super easy Halloween look, this is all you have to do. Plus, I just felt like $1,000,000 in this makeup. The silver hair, the gemstones all over my eyes, I just felt amazing in this look. I then took the same crystals and I started gluing them on my cheeks, kind of like diamond freckles. I just thought it would be really, really beautiful, something different. And again, it's just super easy to do. It's a really quick look. So I'm just kind of scattering these all around the cheeks, just kind of in random places. And I love the way this looked so much. Honestly, I wish I could have diamond freckles every single day. There's just nothing better in my eyes. So for a final touch of shine to the wig, I went ahead and added some glitter gel just to the root of the wig. I wanted to look like an all over diamond, so I just wanted to add a little extra shine on top of that metallic. You guys can make this really easily at home with just hair gel and some loose glitter. Once I applied all of the glitter gel to my roots, I had these little sticky diamond strings. Again, any craft store will have these. They are super duper affordable, and I just lined 2 down the part of my hair. Because when you're doing a diamond look, I mean, just a few diamonds on the face is not enough, right? We have to add them everywhere. And I thought it just made it look super fun and different. For the lips, I first started with just a nude liquid lipstick. And then, of course, to kind of give us that diamond look, I just took the highlighter that we used all over the face, something really frosty and kind of silver based. And I blended that all over the lip color just to really give it a glow, and topped it off with a little lip gloss. Lastly, for the hair, I took the Got2b Mesmerizing Hairspray. This is actually amazing for texture. That's what I use it the most for, especially when my hair is more curly. But I also really love it to tame away any flyaways. And you guys, that is it for my super easy Diamond Girl Halloween makeup. Who does not want to be a walking diamond? I mean, seriously, I wish I could look like this every single day. I felt like $1,000,000. This hair color is so freaking cool. And like I said, they have a bunch of different other colors you guys can try. It's something so fun and different to do. It is super duper affordable, and you can actually do it on your own hair, which is super awesome. If you guys want to check out the Got2b metallic hair color, head to your local Targets and you can have this same ultra metallic, super awesome hair, you guys. I had so much fun with this video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is basically like Halloween makeup for lazy girls, because I am a lazy girl, but I still want to look like $1,000,000 or look like a diamond, and now you can. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching today. Thank you Got2b for sponsoring my video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!